how to get a GED from Walmart as an associate. Also, how to pay $1 for tuition at select online colleges. Okay, so from walmart1.com, you click education and careers. Next, you go down to the item that you need. You can attain a degree in business management or supply chain management at select schools for just $1 per day. Walmart will take care of the remaining costs to cover tuition, books, and other fees. You can receive college credit for academic training. Education coaches will help you map your personalized learning path. Walmart covers 100% of the cost of earning a GED or a high school diploma for associates, spouses, and eligible family members. You can select a degree for $1 a day, click there. Or if you want to receive your GED, click here. If you're looking to grow a skill, software, business, English, marketing, HTML and CSS, foreign language, analytics, technology, or if you want to apply for associate scholarships or an associate job search. And you can also click for the American Public University.